Okay, if I don't do this now, it's just hair. It's just hair. It's just hair.
Hello everyone, if you're watching this, I just cut all my hair off.
Welcome to my parents' bathroom. This is going to be the most unglamorous video on my YouTube channel, so get ready for that. What am I doing? So I'll be donating as much as I can of this part. I also have no makeup right now, cause I don't care. Let's just start and hope that I don't screw up. I'm suddenly very scared. So if you're actually going to do this, which I do not recommend at all, I will be donating my hair to the Canadian Cancer Society, and one of the things they recommended was to have 2 elastic bands. So that's what I will be doing. I'm gonna put another one right here. Okay, if I don't do this now, it's just hair. It's just hair. It's just hair. Oh my god, what did I just do? Okay, well, I already did one, so I guess it's time to do the other one. That is not straight at all. Okay, well, the initial trauma is gone, so let's just keep going now.
Wildly conflicted, which would only make her more crazy about me. Tell me you never think about that night.
What night?
You know.
Left me there by myself. Is that the night you're talking about?
Okay, I think I'm done so far. I think I'm gonna have my mom or dad come and help me out with the back. But I think I did okay.
So, do you think I do okay?
I didn't mean to do that.
I just came from Pride stuff at the fork, so this is just, let's take that out. Did I do okay? The back came out a little bit shorter than what I anticipated. Also, this is the pink and purple that I put in, and it's like, I spent the whole day out, so it's already faded a little bit. I think I did okay for someone who is not a professional. Okay, so I wanted to cut my hair off for a very, very long time. I finally decided to do it now because I had thought that by the time that I'm 30, I need to have long hair again, so I better do this now. So I've always wanted to have like a bob at some point, and also I always wanted to donate my hair. So obviously I can't donate also someone's mowing their lawn, so I've gotten to the point where my hair was long enough. Obviously I'm talking about this part, not this part. This part was finally long enough for me to donate. It is pretty uneven on this side, but it's not super noticeable because my hair is pretty thick. And I did get my parents to help me with the back afterwards. I'm probably going to need one more fix up after I wet my hair again and then more evened out basically. Also, if you were wondering, I am donating my hair to the Canadian Cancer Society. It is run by Pantene, I believe. I mean, they are not cruelty free. However, the overall process and the companies associated that take the hair donations do not charge the patients who need the wigs. So I would rather give my hair to someone who is going to be able to make a wig and then give it to someone for free. So I don't think it's right to charge for wigs for people who have cancer. So I looked into a whole bunch of the hair donation places, and Canadian Cancer Society was the best option for me. If you are going to be cutting your own hair at home, which I do not recommend, if you're going to do that at home, you can just look up Canadian Cancer Society and hair donations, and there will be a detailed instructions on how to cut and donate your hair. So I have my hair in a little baggie right now. It doesn't look like a lot, but it is actually like half of my head. And then just put it in a padded envelope, and you have to take it to your Canada Post. You have to take it to Canada Post, I believe. You cannot just stick it through the mail. Hi, Sophia! I just came home, so she's got to smell all the things. I think I did pretty good. I mean, I was always comfortable trimming my hair. I just haven't trimmed it this short. I definitely have like Chloe from Smallville vibes, and I mean obviously Chloe has she has the super, yeah. My body hasn't compensated for the lack of weight yet, and also when I put clothes on, I'm still doing this to get the hair out of the way. Still not used to that. My head is trying to compensate for the weight of my hair that isn't there anymore. So I'm a really close up, sorry. So, and also this is like super fun. My hair is probably gonna be back in like 2-3 years anyways. So if you watched me cut and dye my hair, I hope maybe I inspired a couple people to donate their hair if possible. I wanted to donate my hair at least once in my life, so I have finally done it. So I will be mailing this off. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!